Right guys, welcome back to Menace Rides. Look at my new space. Look at all this. This is for a reason. We'll show you in this video that we're going to start prepping the car for paint. Yes, we've decided we're going to paint the car. So we've prepped our little barn area. We're not specialists in painting. We're going to get this done guys. It's going to be awesome. Stay tuned. Right guys, so we've got the car in the workshop. We've made a DIY spray booth. We're hoping it's going to work. We've got a good plan. We're going to get sanding, prepping and cleaning on the car. Carla's done a pressure wash already for us. But what we've decided guys is we're going to knock this paint down. There's too many scratches to do pen correction. We're going to make the roof a high gloss black. So we're going to black all this out with the roof. I think it's just going to give the car a sportier look for the trick bits we've got coming after the spray job. We're also going to black out the front grille and we're going to black out the rear spoiler bumper spoiler. So stay tuned guys, it's going to be awesome. We're not going to go in depth in terms of how to paint a car. That's not what this is all about.
Yeah,
this is about us.
A makeover video.
Well, that's it, Mark. We're just trying to show guys that if you try, you can accomplish things, and at the same time, we don't want to give you advice and it's wrong because we are not professional spray painters. But what we have realized is we are professional heater builders.
What are you doing?
We made a homemade tanning unit.
3,000 watts of power, baby.
And this is for two people at the same time. Look at this. Yes!
It's that function glass.
We can adjust it. Yeah, boy.
Are we clubbing it tonight?
Yeah.
Is this club stand?
This barn is on fire.
This club is menacing.
We've out of leftover barn material and woods. We've got an adjustable heater so we can move this back and forward. This can move and slide under the car. This can give us heat on the roof because it is a little bit cold. And we've got adjustable brackets for, you know, different heights, body, you know, if you want to have it here for your hands. Anyway guys, all we're saying is we're not going to go into depth with this. We're going to get this car sorted, looking the way it should. And I hope you like this, and I hope Michael has learned how to spray paint a car because, you know, it's going to be our first time and he was left to learn. So let's get into it guys. Enjoy this with us. Let's transform this vehicle. Menace Rides, like, share, subscribe. Of taping. What we've done for now is we started with a roof. We've made the roof black guys. We've got 2 coats of base coat. We've got basically 3 coats of clear coat on there, I would say. And this is what we're starting to look like. This is just us getting our car looking a little bit spunky. See, we've still got this to deal with. Big dent there, couple of scratches. I've already started earlier trying to just sand out this key scratch here. But I think awesome job, Carla. Well done. Carla did the back bumper. Let's have a look at that. bumper spoiler. Look at that. It's all polished up already, actually. Look at that. Woohoo! Okay. What do you have to do? Okay, let's see how it looks, Carla. That back spoiler is looking awesome. So we're adding essence of gloss black onto the silver. We're still going to do the wheels. And that's our finish. Carla actually went with a little detailing blade and just did a thin cut around just to make sure we're not peeling anything. Look at that shine. Awesome. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay.
Keep it real, guys. Keep it clean. It's got to be super, super clean. This is not the ultimate environment. And that's why once this clear coat has taken 48 hours to dry, we'll have to do a complete buffing. Probably go over with like a 2000 grit just to flatten it a bit. There is a bit of orange peel, but I think it's the weather. Sanding, buffing, polishing, compounding, everything. So stay tuned. Got a lot more to get through. Like, share, subscribe. Boo.
What you doing?
I am pulling a huge dimple dent in the bonnet. And just trying to blend in the deeper side of my scratches, because these scratches went right down into the paint and I actually had to sand the paint smooth.
Yeah, something like you did there.
Yep, just like that, guys. I had to actually sand the metal to get the actual scratch out. So some of these are a little bit easier, you can see here, and some of them are a little bit difficult. So we've got a black roof, we've got a black rear spoiler, and we are busy. So, nice one. Hello, my sweetheart. What are you doing? Yes, you. What are you doing? Taping stuff. Oh, I like the new color scheme of the car, man. It's looking great. What do we call this? We call this camo yellow, because nobody will see you. Yeah, this is good camo. Alright, good job, babe. I like the yellow headlights. Slick. Yeah, nice. Right, guys. Carla and I have prepped. There's no more scratches on the vehicle. We've done a body filler where we needed to. We've done a etching primer, sort of like a sealer coat to blend in our silver metallic. Now it's time to shoot some paint, guys. We've never sprayed a car in our lives before. Cross fingers, we get this right. Getting our mask on, and we're about to shoot some base. Okay, guys, so now that 2 coats of base coat's been laid down, and because of the environment we're in, we will probably take something close to between a 3000 and a 5000 grit sandpaper, just to smooth it a little bit up. Then we're ready to shoot 2K clear coat, which is the part I hate doing because I feel so anxious doing it. But whether you're using base coat, clear coat, primer coat, masks are a must, even in this type of environment where there is a lot of breeze.
Let me take a look at that mask.
Safety first, guys.
Color code, look at that.
Look at that, look at that.
New filter.
All that brand new filter, all that paint is in there, so now you know where half your paint goes. Anyway, guys, I'm happy with the progress. Obviously, it's never going to be a factory finish given the environment we're in. We're doing the best we can with what we have, and I think we're going to achieve an awesome result based on that. And if we find imperfections, we're straight onto it. We don't rush the process. It's not a rush. Keep liking, watching, sharing, and subscribing, guys. Menace right. Okay, guys, we've shot our base coat, we've shot our clear coat, 2 coats are clear. This is what we're looking at. Look at that, it laid out nice and flat. We've got our grills blacked out with the chrome essence. These used to be silver. We've done them in black gloss, like the piano black. We've done our roof black. I know it's dusty now, but we need to wait at least 2 days or 3 days before we can wash and polish this. The weather's not great, but looking good. Like, share, subscribe, Menace Ride.